Hi friends, today the topic is band reject filter. The band reject filter is also called as band stop filter or band elimination filter. Elimination filter that in this filter frequencies are attenuated in the stop band while they are passed outside this band. Simply you can take it has two cutoff frequencies FL and FH, but you can't reduce the noise in between FL and FH. You can eliminate the noise up to FL and above FH. Like that you can consider this. Okay, so band reject filter can also classified as that is wide band reject filter, and another one is narrow band reject filter. Okay, so narrow band filter and narrow band reject filter is also called as notch filter. So this is the actual introduction to that band reject filter. Then wide band reject filter, the circuit diagram is both filters are in wide band band pass filter, both high pass filter and low pass filter connected as cascade, but in band reject filter both are connected as parallel. So simply if you take that circuit diagram of wide band reject filter WRF, okay, so simply take that both are in parallel. You may take upper low pass filter or high pass filter. Okay, so this one is feedback resistance, this one is input resistance, and it is connected to ground, and this one positive and negative, and take one positive and one variable resistor that is connected to ground. So simply that a resistor and capacitor, okay, where that input value is V. Yes. Here Vs is commonly connected to both low pass filter as well as high pass filter. Okay. Negative, and this is connected to both feedback resistors. So this is that a source voltage is connected to resistor and capacitor. At the same time Vs value is connected to resistor and capacitor. This is a capacitor and resistor, this one is. Okay, this is actual low pass filter, this one is high pass filter. Okay. So then both outputs, this is actual low pass filter output, this is high pass filter output. Both outputs are connected to summing inverting amplifier. That is actual resistor R2, take one more resistor R3, and both are commonly connected to negative, and positive is connected to, take one resistor and connected to ground. Take one feedback resistor R4 and R2 value. This is the overall output. So in band reject filter, this is actual low pass filter, this one is high pass filter. This is connected to ground. Simply you can take that is R1 and RF. R1, RF, R1, RF. Here R and C, here R and C. This is R2, R3, R4 value. Like that you can design the circuit diagram for band reject, that is actual wide band reject filter. Okay. For this expression, that frequency response model is represented as this is actual frequency, this is a pass band, stop band, pass band, this one is stop band, and pass band. Okay, where that cutoff frequency can be represented as root of FH and FL value. Okay. And this is actual wide band reject filter, and second one is narrow band reject filter. Narrow band reject filter. Okay. So simply that type of expressions can be represented as this. That is a twin T notch filter. You may take this type of resistor. There is a T shape, R, and you can take one capacitor. This is one type of T shape. Okay. At the input, same another capacitor. Another capacitor. Take one resistor. Simply you can consider as like this. Okay. In this case, we are applying the input voltage, and this is actual V output voltage. Then only you can use this type of connection. This is one type of T shape. This is another T shape. Okay. Here resistor and capacitor. This, and here capacitor 1, capacitor 2, capacitor 3. And this is R1, R2, R3 value. Okay. R1, R2, C1 value is one type of T shape. Okay. C2, C3 and R3 is another type of T shape. We have two, simply you can take twin, like that you can design this. This type of shape can be connected to positive terminal of operational amplifier, and negative terminal is connected to this type of buffering amplifier, the output voltage across this. Okay. So this is the actual circuit diagram of case. Now with the help of this type of circuit diagram, it is very similar to this. In the wide band reject filter, you are getting this type of slope. You are having wide band reject filter. The same expression in a narrow band reject filter, due to this type of mechanism, you will be get this. It is very similar to that, but that gap is very less. You are having high pass band to stop band and stop band to pass band. This is narrow band reject filter. Okay. This is actual brief introduction on narrow band reject filter and wide band reject filter. Okay. This is actually FL and FH. This is also FL and FH value. Okay. So simply this is FH and FL. This is FH and FL value. Okay. Thank you.